Hello guys, this is a Whirlpool dishwasher. So it is working fine, but the problem with this is if you touch the body of the dishwasher, you will get electric shock. So it's very dangerous, guys. Maybe you can lead to death or accident. So I will show you how to diagnose a grounded dishwasher. This is a Whirlpool brand. It is a 6 cents. This is a dishwasher. See, this is a live, this is the neutral, and this is the so the meter. If you check if the washing or owning appliance is grounded, just put in a 60 million range, because lower range you cannot detect a grounded. So high range, ground, see, it's almost, let's lower to find what's the reading, but this must be no reading, guys. See, it's grounded. See, it's grounded. So dishwasher is grounded.
Ba't ba, master?
Causing this grounded maybe a grounded heater or a grounded water bulb or a control grounded, but the control is working fine. Maybe this possible of this cause is the heater, guys. So let's try to open and check what's the cause of grounded. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and keep watching. Let's open the cover, guys. Let's open the twist screw. Wait, guys, I'm so busy, guys. I need to tie my hair. Okay, Stands before you, not before me. So maybe this. This is the floater sensor, guys. Robot yung baritik ko ah. Try to remove the sensor guys. Check again. Still the same. Dito lang.
Parang balong ba ito sa harapan na nasa lalim? Yung may mga washing na tahimik, walang laman. Pag nilamanan nyo, mararinig ingay. Minsan yung bato niya. Masan? Yun yung stick nyo ganyan. Tapos baka lang yung vibration. In-expel ko nila.
I stand before you. Let's check it again, guys. There's I removed it's still the same. I removed the sensor, but it's still the same. Let's try to remove the heater, guys. Let's try to remove the heater. If the heater is the problem, let's try this remove first. This is the sensor, guys. Try to remove the heater. Heater. Maybe the heater is the cause. So I remove the heater. This is the heater. So let's try to check again. Still the same. Still the same. Still shifted. So the problem is not on the heater. Let's remove other wiring, guys. Maybe I'm gonna miss you forever. Gonna miss you, girl. Check again. It's grounded. It's still grounded. Just try to remove other wires. This is wire 4. This is for guys. This wire is for the bulb. This wire valve for water valve inlet. Let's try to remove this. So this is for the wire water valve inlet, guys. Let's try again. I'm sure still the same, guys.
Doon kasi yung ako.
Bakit?
Ano yun? Yung talong mo, hindi nakain, no?
Hindi mo na ako kumakain ng talong. So, okay. What next? Let's try to remove this. This is a leak sensor. This is for the leak sensor, guys. Let's try again. If the ground is still okay, still the same. Try to remove the. I'll try to remove the wire, guys. Going to the control. So this is the wire for going control. Going to the control. This is the wire for the control. Let's try to remove, guys. Still the same. Hindi na pag walang ano. Let's try to remove this, guys. This is the wire going to control. Okay. No, this is the wire going from outlet, guys, and this is for the control. Let's try again. See? Same, the same. So the problem is, guys, is on the cord, not on the unit, guys. So see? See? I remove the wire going to the cord, not, see? So the problem is on the cord, guys. Check, guys. So this is the wire going to the control, and this is the chassis ground. So the problem is not on the control, not on the main machine, but the problem is occur on the cord. This only on the cord wires, guys. See, there's no ground. The problem is on the wire. Let's replace all the wire, guys. I try to remove the wire, guys, inside.
Pero mga Philip Master ang maigli. Balik na tayo. Okay, okay. Timpintil. So, puting timpintil.
I gonna remove the wire for the main supply, guys. That's the problem, not on the unit, guys, but on the wire only. So isip na magagawa sa atin ito. Sa kanila yan, hindi sa atin kasi hindi naman tayo kasyo.
Oo nga, pambeta to.
Sorry.
Pambeta.
Sa kanila yan. Yan ang boss. Sorry for my the wire. This wire on guys is the problem. I'm gonna show you. Pinilitan ko lang ng wire dati, ganun pa rin. See? How to camera din. See guys, sorry for my camera. See, this is the wire. It's only the wire guys. Let's check. See? There is no connection but it's grounded. I will go to my table guys.
دخل لو انت مش هتصلح لو انت مش هتصلح لا هنصلح عنك.
So the problem guys is the cord on that is grounded because of water going inside. So this cord on is the problem. See? I'm gonna show you. This is the wire. It's only the wire guys. It's dry but it's I will show you. See, there is no connection guys. See, it's grounded. So the cord itself is grounded. If you not know this, maybe you will be check the control or other device. It can take too long to troubleshoot if you don't know the basic testing. So check first the cord and before you proceed to the other. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe. Thank you.